Hello, Katie here from Katie's World. Thank you so much for tuning in today. I'm just going to give you a quick video walkthrough of what comes in the Day of Fun page kit. If you haven't already and you'd like to pick up one of these kits, please check the description below this video and you will find a link to my Etsy shop where you can find all kinds of fun projects to do. Okay, so here's just a quick look at the page. It is a 2-page 12 by 12 layout. And in your kit, you will receive a sheet of instructions with a full color photo as well as step-by-step how to put this together. On the back, you'll find a very large photo of the image to help with paper piecing. Okay. You will also receive your backing pieces. So you have the two 12 by 12 solid pieces. You have the two background decorative pieces. You may need to, actually you will need to trim these down. The measurements are in the instructions. You will also need to trim down the bricks background paper as well. Okay, so any of the large pieces are loose in the bag, and the smaller pieces come in little baggies to help with page assembly. There are small pieces in here, so just be extra careful not to lose or misplace your pieces. Okay, so the photo mats, you do not have to trim the photo mats down unless you want to. These I've already cut to size for you. You just glue them on with your photos. Again, if you'd like to pick up one of these kits, please click on the link in the description below, and please subscribe to my channel if you would like to see more videos from me, and click that bell for notifications. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.